Hello everyone. Today we will discuss articles in English grammar. After watching this complete lecture, you will never forget how to use the definite article in a sentence. I will teach you the definite article in detail. Watch this video with concentration so you never lose marks in any exam. An article is a word used to indicate that a noun is a noun without describing it. Articles are a type of determiner and they go before a noun. For example, in a sentence, Nick bought a dog. The article indicates that the dog is a noun. Often a sentence needs an article before a noun to make grammatical sense. For example, do you have a car? I live in an apartment. Where did we park the car? Types of articles. We can separate the articles into two different types. Definite article, the. Indefinite articles are an. Definite article. In English, the only definite article is the word the. A definite article has several roles that it performs. Definite means specific. We use the when talking about something already known to the listener or previously mentioned, introduced, or discussed. Examples are I have a cat. The cat is black. Do you know where I left the car keys? In this sentence, the listener knows which specific car keys you are talking about. Definite article. A definite article is used to refer to unique things or groups. A definite article can indicate that something is unique and only one of it exists. For example, she gazed at the moon. The earth has only one moon. In writing and speech, the word the is typically used after the speaker or writer introduce something they are talking about. The word the then references back to this same thing. For example, we saw birds by the lake. The birds were building nests. In this sentence, the word the indicates that the birds in the second sentence are the same birds mentioned in the first sentence. Many clauses and phrases make the noun known to the listener by telling the listener which person or thing we are talking about. For example, can you give me the book on the table? In this sentence, we use the because the phrase on the table tells the listener which book we are referring to. We also use the when using ordinal numbers such as the first, the second, the third, the next, the previous, and the following. For example, they were the first to give Christmas gifts. Exceptions to this rule. We do not use the before the ordinal number when discussing ideas. First, place the flour in the bowl. Next, add milk. Finally, mix in the jar. We also do not use the using ordinal numbers or words when we talk about specific periods. For example, we are going to my grandmother's house next winter. We also do not use the using ordinal numbers or words that refer to prizes. For example, congratulations, you got first prize. We also use the with superlatives such as the best, the biggest, the most important, the least interesting, etc. For example, this is the best day ever. He told the funniest joke. Do not use articles when generalizing about uncountable nouns and plural countable nouns. For example, water is an important resource. Uncountable, vegetables are good for you. Plural countable. However, we use the when the meaning is more specific. For example, sugar is bad for your teeth. Here, sugar means all sugar, sugar in general. Pass the sugar, please. This sugar means the sugar on the table. We use the with the names of oceans, seas, coasts, river, collection of lakes, hotels, theaters, museums, institutes, the sun, the moon, and extraordinary work of architecture. A noun referring to a part of human body can be used with the to refer to the parts of anyone's body. For example, these arteries supply the heart with blood. It is irritating when breathed into the lungs. We use the for currencies when we talk about their general value. For example, the US dollar has risen against the yen. Many newspaper titles, full or abbreviated, are preceded by the New York Times, the Nation. We use the with the names of governmental bodies and titles of officials, the Department of Commerce, the President, the Prime Minister. We also use the for inventions. For example, Edison invented the bulb. The Wright brothers invented the airplane. Generally, articles are not used with the names of illnesses or diseases. For example, several medications can be used to treat malaria. However, exception to this rule, there are some illnesses which require the. For example, the measles, the flu, the mumps. If a direction north, south, southeast, left, right directly follows a verb, we do not use an article with the direction. For example, we need to walk south. However, if a direction directly follows a preparation, we must use the. For example, we need to walk to the south. Thank you for watching this video. Wait for the second part of this video to completely learn about this topic. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, comment and share this video and subscribe to this channel if you want more informative videos like this.